Hello. Today, we are going to solve an algebra problem involving three variables. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the value of the sum of squares of three variables when their sum and their pairwise products are known. Our specific goal is to calculate the value of a squared plus b squared plus c squared using given information. We are given two pieces of information. First, the sum of a, b, and c is 9. Second, the sum of their pairwise products, ab plus bc plus ca, is 31. Let's look at how these terms are related. To solve this, we need to use a fundamental algebraic identity that connects these three expressions. The identity for the square of a trinomial states that a plus b plus c, all squared, is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times the quantity ab plus bc plus ca. Since we want to find the sum of the squares, we can rearrange this formula. By subtracting the product term from both sides, we get a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals the square of the sum, minus 2 times the sum of the pairwise products. Take a moment to see how this rearrangement isolates the term we are looking for. Now, let's substitute the given values into our formula to find the final answer. We replace the sum a plus b plus c with 9. Then we replace the sum of the products ab plus bc plus ca with 31. This gives us 9 squared minus 2 times 31. Now we perform the arithmetic. 9 squared is 81 and 2 times 31 is 62. Finally, subtracting 62 from 81 gives us 19. So the value we were looking for is 19. In this lesson, we successfully used the trinomial square identity to solve for a specific component. You can use this same method whenever you are given any two of these three expressions to find the third one.